Ever wondered how these jaw-dropping wildlife documentaries rack up millions of views every single month? Well, guess what? You don't need a film crew in the jungle or a Hollywood budget to make this happen. With free AI tools, you can create viral wildlife documentary videos right from your laptop. This kind of videos is getting millions of views on YouTube, just like the ones you are seeing right now. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do it so step by step for free. So stick around because your journey into creating viral wildlife documentaries start right here. Take a look at sample of what we are going to be creating in this video.
To us, the ocean seems like a silent void, but beneath the surface, it's a roar of conversation. Whales aren't just making noise, they're speaking a language we're only just beginning to decode.
Did you know penguins have their own way of proposing? Male penguins search for the perfect pebble, not too big, not too small, and present it to the female. If she accepts, it's more than just a rock. It's the start of a lifelong bond. Even the smallest creatures, glowing beetles, rare butterflies, play vital roles in this vast ecosystem. And sometimes the forest reveals its most secretive predator, the jaguar, master of stealth, ruling the jungle's hidden paths.
So without wasting much of the time, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. This is the topic I want to write about: whales, the secret language of whales. So now what I did was I just wrote this, write a full video script of 1 minute for, then I now added the topic over here. So now what I did was to take this, now I go to ChatGPT or any this thing you feel like using, but in my case I actually used AI Arena. So this is it. Once I went over, you can just go to Google and just type in AI.arena. So once you type it in, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, and it will require you to log into an account. So you just log into using your Google account. So now once you just do it, just to come over here and click on direct. So when I click on direct, I now click on this side and I choose, what I choose was just the first one, this Google Gemini 3 Flash. So once I do, I now paste the topic. So once I now paste in the topic, is going to load up. This is what it gave me. So it automatically just gave me the whole scripts. This is what it gave me. So what I did was to copy the result and came to my notepad and pasted the results here. So I went ahead to edit the result. What do I mean here? If you check what we got from here, you can see it's having all this narrator, all this other, like for example, let me do something here. I'm going to copy this. So once I copy it, I bring it down to my notepad and I paste it in. You are seeing it has a lot of gibberish I need to delete. So like all this narrator and all this, so just ensure you just remove them. All what you need is just the part of the narrator where the narrator is speaking. So just delete. That was how I was, just to leave only the part of the narration. That was what I did. So now I have this as my finished product. So now the next thing I'm going to do is just to copy this particular, the final edited work. Now I'm going to now come over to my Google again. So let me just do it and close this. So I'm going to now go to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Just search for Google AI Studio. So once you search for Google AI Studio, it's going to be where you just click on the first results you're seeing here. So once you're here, you are going to click on Get Started and log in with your Gmail account. So once you log in, to bring you to interface like this. So now the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to click on Playground. So just click on Playground. It will bring you to somewhere like this. So once you're on this side, you are going to just come here over on this side, on the right hand side. You're going to click on this side. Now I'm going to now scroll down on, make sure audio is selected. Make sure the audio is selected. Then on this side, I'm going to now scroll down a little and you will see Google Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TS. Just select this particular one. So I'm going to click on it and select that one. Now, you can see model setting, you can do temperature, just leave it the way it is. Now, you can decide to start with a pre-made template or just leave it the way it is too. Now, what I'm going to just do, let me just start with a template and just delete. Now, I'll get from this side, I'm going to now remove this. Now, on the speaker, you can select the speaker. Now, if you see, I click on that speaker, it's going to bring me the list of different peoples. So now I'm going to now select your accent, the accent you want, the ace. You can see, just ensure you select the right one you want. So then you can click here to preview how the person sounds like. So just make sure, go ahead and from here just select the parts you want, as in the particular sound you want for your listening. But in my case, I'm just go with the default. I think this was the default. I'm going to just make it up that particular speaker. So now what I'm now going to do, I can still click here to take you over to that particular place. So now what I'm going to now do is to paste in my prompt here. But remember, that's my story. This is what I wanted to read. Remember, I've already copied it. I'm going to paste it over here. So once I do that, the next thing I'm going to do, you are going to see run here. So what I'm going to just click on run. So once you click on run, you allow it to run. Once it's finished, it's going to give you the outputs. So the audio, it has finished generating the audio. Now from what it's generated, I think what I had was 1 minute 40 something seconds audio. So I'm going to just download it. Once you click on this, it's going to download the audio for you. So and then just pause this. It's going to download the audio for you. So now what I'm going to now do is to head over, since we now have our storyline, we have our scripts. We have our storyline, we have the audio already generated for us. The next thing we are going to do is to go into creating our images. For the images, I'm going to be making use of Meta AI. I'm going to be using Meta AI to generate my image. So once you open Meta AI, once you connect, this is how the interface is going to look like. But it will require you to log in to log in. So you need to have a Facebook account to be able to use this. Once you log in, you'll see an interface like this. So the next thing we are going to be doing, I'm going to head over to my scripts again. So now I remember right now I don't really know what the components of the image will look like, so I don't even know how to go about it. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to come over to here and copy this, probably half of this side. Now I'm going to copy half of this side and now bring it to this place. I'm going to put it here, and now what I did was I tell you, give me a perfect image prompt showing, now this is it, showing this action. I just copy that first side and ensure I just gave you the instruction. So I'm going to just copy this and just come over to my browser again. Now this time around, I'm going to still make use of this. So I'm going to now paste in here, as I now click on go. It's going to give me the image prompt. So you can see this is the image prompt it gave me. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy this prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt now, copy it down. What I'm going to now do is to go to Meta AI. I'm going to bring in my prompts. I'm going to come to where I have my image, and to let it know that it's image, then I'm going to paste in my prompt. So this is the prompt I want it to. So now I'm going to now click on next. So it's going to generate the prompt for the image for me. So just wait for it here for it to complete its work. So you can see it's generating. Like this is what we now have. It has generated the image of the whale for me. So now this is what I have. So now what you can just simply just do, you can directly animate it here. So since we already have our audio, there's no need adding audio to this. So what you're going to just do is to animate it directly from here instead of going to use another software to do that. So now I'm going to just click on animate on any of the image. So once I click on animate, it's going to take a little while and animate the video, that particular image for me. So you can see it has finished. This is what it animated for me. This is what I have. So now this is what I have. So now what you can do here is your choice. You can click on it like this to view the full listing, and you can alternate there. If it already normally gives 5 seconds of this, so it's going to give you 5 seconds. If you want it to be longer, you can just click on extend. You can just click on extend. You can add music to it if you want to, but since I don't want him to add any music, I just what I need is just the animation. So I can, and you can click on extend. So once you click on extend, it's going to extend it from, instead of 5 seconds, it's going to extend this particular animation to 8 seconds longer. You can see it has finished. Now you can see this is what now. You can see it now extended it down to 8 seconds and see how it is. So now if I'm okay with this, I can now just click on download. Download is going to get downloaded. I see it has downloaded this particular animation. So this thing, I will now go ahead into doing another one. So I can choose another different one. Let me say on this particular one, or this, let me say this one, I'll animate is also to get other image. Now once has this one is generating, what I'm going to now do is go to, I'll come here, clicking. Now I'm going to, on this side, I'm going to pick this side, let me say from here to here, and copy it, and then I'll now come to this particular side and just paste it here. And what I want to do, I'll copy. Now I'm going to take it to go to my charts and now paste in the prompt again and then say go. So now it's going to generate. Once I do that, it's going to give me the prompt for the next one. And see here, this is the prompt it gave me for the next one. So just check it and ensure, okay, okay, this is it. Now I want now copy this prompt and let me go back to my AI. Okay, it has finished animating the second one. So this is it. It has not animated the second one of this. I'll say. Now, if I'm okay with it, what you just need to do, you can just download it straight up. You can see, you can download it straight up, or you can just open it and extend as we did earlier. But if I'm okay with it, I'll just download this particular one. So now I'm going to now paste in the prompt for the second prompt I got. I'm going to paste in the second prompt. So you repeat the same process over and over till you get all the prompts for your videos. So now what I'm going to just do, I'm going to just why that is, I'm going to go ahead and copy another part. So I'm going to copy another part. Let me say from here to here, copy it and come to this side. Or what's the basic thing there, just to show you have to have a video showing what others the whales are doing. To copy it and go to my, you can see this is what it generated. This is what it generated. So I can just pick any one of my choice. I can have, let me say I want to animate this, I will animate this one. Why I come over here and paste in it. So obviously give me another prompts. So I scroll down and see it generating, and here is it. That's giving me prompts for it. Now I'm going to now copy this and copy and come to my AI. Okay, this one is still generated. Just wait for it to finish. So here is it. It has finished animating this. It has finished animating this. So I can just download. I'll just download this particular one. So just download it and come over to my post, put in another prompt. Okay, here is it. See, so here is it. The one it's generated for this one. So then just try to play around with all this. Okay, let me just say I am going to be making this one. Let me animate this. So you can see it has finished. This is what it generated. You can see I can decide to extend. I can decide to extend it for it to generate a longer version of it for me. So that's just how you just going to do. Just continue the whole process. Extend. You can then animate. So you can see it has generated this. So what I'm going to just do is just to click on download, and you can see it has downloaded the video for me. What am I going to now do is to proceed into my video editor. So I'm going to be using CapCut. So I'm going to get over to CapCut and just open the software and different new project. Once I click on new project, next thing I'm going to do is to import all my scenes here. So I'm just going to come over here. Now there's this what I've, so let me just, this is, for example, these are the ones I've done so far. So I'm going to just jump this in here and track everything here together with the audio. So now I brought everything here. Let me bring in the first scene. What I want to use as the first scene. So there is it. I brought in the first scene. Now let me bring in the audio down. So I'm going to also bring in the audio. So now there is what I have. So now what I'll just bring in the rest of the images. So let me just say this is what. So now what I'm going to just do is just to bring in everything I have. So you once you bring it in God, so you just try to ensure that each of them is matching. Like for example, probably where he's talking about the music scene, you has to match with this with a particular part of the wheel that is showing the music. So that's just it. You will try to remove any parts. So let's say if we will, okay, you want to make any of this particular scene. So let's say, for example, this one, remember it's 5 seconds in generated. Let's say I want to make this particular one longer, or I can even do anyone to any of this. But what you just need to do is just come to the speed and reduce the speed. You can see when I reduce the speed, is longer. So now you can see this is now 10 seconds. Now, once you are done with that, you can decide to add all your effects. You can decide to add all your pro effect, like you can add transition to any of the scenes you want to add. You can add auto captions to it. And after once you are done with everything, let me say for example, I'm done with this. Just click here and that's your, now here is it. I'm going to now come over here. Okay, let me just quickly just add auto caption. So if you want to know how to export, how to add all your pro effects to your videos, and at the end of the day still have your video exported, just check in the video showing up here, or you can check the video in the description box below. And it's going to be showing you how to get your work exported without having to subscribe to pro. You can say like this one, I try to export, is going to tell me how to get pro. So now, because I actually use a pro effects for all it, so I don't want to make this particular video more longer than this. So what you just need to do is just to check the video showing up there, or I'll be linking it in the description box. So you can just check the video to learn how to get your work exported for free. So now let me just quickly get this work exported so that you see what we've done so far. All right, I'm gonna head to export the videos and just close this and come over to my video right now. This is where the file is. So where I normally export, this is where it is. So now what I'm going to now do, you can see this is the work. So I'm going to now just play this right here.
To us, the ocean seems like a silent void, but beneath the surface, it's a roar of conversation. Whales aren't just making noise, they're speaking a language we're only just beginning to decode. Take humpback whales. They are the ocean's composers. They sing complex songs with specific grammar.
So you can see this is what you can see. It has done a perfect job. So you can see that it didn't even really cost me that much to get this particular wildlife kind of videos generated. So you can just you can have your this channel like this and start creating a lot of videos, pumping it, and before you know, you get monetized and you start making your cool money from it. So if you can use this particular trick for any other niche you want to venture into, whether it is cocktails channels you want to make it, or you want to go into, or any kind of faceless channel, you can just, and which require just for you to get the images, and add some little voiceover to it. That's just how you go about it. With this, I think you're going to get everything done for you for free. And you can see I generated this without paying a single dime for it. Let me just press the pause button here, and this is where I'm going to stop for this particular video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.